How to activate your Digi Mobil internet connection or internet from your account. Firstly, simply go on the official website of a Digi Mobil and transfer or translate it to the English language. Then you can see there is a section of mobile, and here you can activate it, pay and get a SIM card or fiber. To get this, you can read the charges and the benefits also: free fiber, 300 Mbps speed, 1 Gbps speed, and create your own combination. So, what you have to do is simply click on I'm a customer on the right top of the screen, and then you will see this type of menu in front of you of the different types of the plans available here. Some of them are 5G and some of them are the regular plans. You can read the benefits and click on the I want it option to activate your account. And then here you have to choose the internet connection or the how much internet you need. You can set it up all, and please you can pay from this, and then your Digi Mobile internet will be